Why do I look so fat? Well, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Tamika. Hello, gorgeous. It's Wegovy. It's Wegovy time. Listen, if you are new, again, welcome. All right, so you are new to this channel, period. I do Wegovy's on Sunday. So here, Wegovy, I basically speak every week and I give an update regarding, what Wegovy is, how much weight I am losing, what I ate, everything, and so forth. So Wegovy is not a rejection. It's an injection that you put into your body. So it is to suppress your appetite. So here's a screenshot of what Wegovy is, and hopefully, if you are interested, what you'll do is Google it and speak to your weight loss physician about Wegovy if it is something for you. If your BMI is over 30, then you are considered obese. My BMI is at 31. So I've been on Wegovy now for a month and a half. Well, basically, I'm in my second month, and I just completed, as of today, which is March 27th, I actually started my last injection. So this is my last box here that I just completed, and I just completed my last pen. So basically, girl, before I even give you the update on how much weight I lost, I just want to apologize to you guys because I did not upload my video on Sunday. I upload every Sunday, right? I did not upload my video because I had a full weekend, and I wish I would have recorded it because I really wanted you guys to see like what it's like to eat, you know, when you are not on low carb. For those who not know, I am on a low carb diet. So every, blue moon, I'm going to eat outside of the low carb. Okay. So it would have been good content to have you guys come along with me when I went to the baby shower, what I ate after the baby shower because I didn't get home until late. Then I went to a birthday party yesterday, and you'll be able to see the cake and everything that I ate. But I just want to put you guys on a little tip. If you have the Cake Factory in your hometown, please look it up. I'm gonna put a screenshot up here and a screenshot of what the cake looked like because my friend, she had the cake and it was so delicious. This is an upscale from Publix. Like, it was really not going to be long at all. I apologize. Okay, so last week I was at 184 point, I think 4. I'll put it up here. And then this week, 182.8. So my weight loss, yay, it is still continuing, and I'm so excited and so happy that, this was a journey. My weight loss is coming down. For those who are worried about water weight, if you gain a pound or two, after eating something, that was a lot heavier in carbs, please understand that will come off within 1 to 2 days. For those who are not aware, that each month, when you get these in your box, you're getting 4 of these. So each month your milligrams is going to go up. So you start off with 0.25, and then your second month is 0.5. So when I do feel nauseous while I'm at work, I just drink me some water and then I'll start walking. I walk anyway, but when I feel it coming, I just immediately just get up and start taking a walk in the parking garage. It's amazing. I feel good. The one thing I can say is when I take pictures with people, I don't know what it is, but my angle is not flattering. Why do I look so fat? And I'm like, compared to my pictures of what I look like now currently, it does not even up. So I don't know if it's my angles or what, but honey, I still look fat, even though I don't look fat. I am getting a whole lot of compliments from people asking me, like, what is it that I'm doing? So I am a sweet eater. I don't know about you guys, but I love sweets. I ate cake yesterday. So, child, I'm not hungry right now at all. I feel disgusted at this point. But I found these 3 grams of sugar, which is the, what is this? Smart Sweets I got from Walgreens. I am always on the hunt looking for sugar-free candy. The little fish, right? These are huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try it together. Well, watch me eat it. How about that? Ugh, there's ants. Flavor is good. It's not dry like the regular sweetest fish. Aftertaste is there. Not bad. Next, I'm gonna try the little sour candy. So there are 4 different flavors. There's red, yellow, green, and orange. Let's try the yellow. The yellow tastes good. All right, let's try the green. The green is okay. But let's try orange. Actually, orange is good. I love orange. Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. I'll go back to this one. Okay. And work. Oh, and also comment down below if you want me to, you know, share with you when I go out and about. Like, would you like to do, like, would you like for me to do like a little mini vlog? Share your content ideas of what you would like to see. Because, girl, I'm not going to be on Wegovy forever, you know, and I do want you guys to stick around. Okay. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, just give this video a thumbs up. And all right, so I'll check you guys out later. Goodbye, gorgeous.